What's up, guys? It's your boy Scoop. You are tuned into Heavy Camp. Today, guys, we're going to be focusing on how to identify key levels in a trending market. In my last video, I spoke on how to identify market conditions, which is uptrends, downtrends, and sideways moving markets, right? So we're just going to get right into it, starting with the uptrend. So in an uptrend, we already know that price moves to create a high, right, which is our higher high, and then comes back to create our support, which is our higher low, and then goes to break our higher high to create a new higher high, and then comes back, and then we'll come back to retest the old higher high, right? So this is our most recent high. So what happens is, guys, in this situation, how we simply identify our key levels is that this would be our resistance level. This would be our new high, right? And then this is our old resistance, which is now turned into support, right? Because remember, it was resistance, price fell down, and then it came, and then it broke above resistance, turning it into support, right? So in a situation like this, what we would do is, as price is coming back to retest our support, we would simply wait for price to come into our key level to retest, and then wait for momentum shift to the upside. So once we get our momentum shift to the upside, what we would then do is we would then go for our buys, right? So our stop loss would be anywhere underneath our broken key level, right? And then our first take profit would be at our resistance level, right? But then knowing that we are in an uptrend, most probably price will break above, so you can have a second take profit, right? But every time you get to your first take profit, I would recommend that you move your stop loss to break even, just in case price decides to come back, right? So this is in an uptrend, guys, how we find our key levels in an up moving market, right? And then in a situation where price, because it's actually known to happen, so in a situation where price decides to fall further down into this level, what would then happen is remember, this is our original supporting level. This is still a support, right? This is still a valid support level. So what would happen is, as much as price broke this level and came down, our original support is still standing, right? So price is allowed to come all the way down here before moving all the way up there, right? So in this situation, what we would do is the same thing, wait for price to retest into our level, and then just wait for momentum shift to the upside. And then remember, because it broke below this, this is now our resistance level, right? So as we get our momentum shift, we go in for our long order support anywhere underneath our stop loss. I mean to say, will be anywhere underneath our support, and then first take profit will be here at our first resistance level. And then once this resistance level is broken, this will be our second take profit, right? Okay, so in a downtrending market, we would basically be looking for the same thing. In a downtrending market, we know that price moves to form a low, lower high, lower low, comes back to retest this low, right? So what we would do is, this is our resistance, all right? Price came below, right? And then this is also our resistance, where when price was coming down, this was our support, right? This is our first lower low, right? This created our first support, and then price pulled back and then broke that support to form a resistance, and then now it's going in for a retest. So same thing, as price is moving in for a retest, we simply wait for retest into our key level, momentum shift to the upside. Once we get our momentum shift, then we simply go for our short orders. Stop loss anywhere above key level. First take profit would be at our support, which is our lower low, right? And then second take profit would be anywhere above our support. Okay, and then same situation, if price happens to break above resistance all the way up to our original resistance, which is our support, then we don't panic. This will then tend to support as price broke above. But then what we would do is we simply wait for confirmation, our candlestick patterns, as price begins to move down, as we see our momentum shift, volume stepping in the market, and then we go for our short orders, stop loss anywhere above our resistance, and then first take profit, second take profit, So that's how we spot our key levels in an uptrend and in a downtrend. Now, as I said, guys, in a sideways moving market, this is where the market is moving up. It creates a high, and then it creates a low, and then it goes back to the high. So instead of breaking the high to move higher, it respects that high, and then it comes back down. Or sometimes you might even find that it might go halfway and then come back again, then hit our resistance again, and then come back down, then move up. So in this situation, this is what we would call a double top, but then this is within a ranging market, where this would be our support level, and then this would be our resistance key level, right? So if you have enough knowledge, you can trade this, especially when you get recognizable patterns like your double tops. So with a double top, we definitely know that market will be moving down. So in a situation like this, as price moves up and then goes down and then it comes back up again and then goes down, as it's going down, we know that it's a double top, so we'll be going down with the price. Stop loss anywhere above our respected key level, right? So this would be our first touch, then this would be our second touch of the double top. But as I said, guys, I don't necessarily like trading ranging markets. They're not really, they don't give high probability trades as compared to when you are trading a trending market. When the market is going up, it's easier to trade. The market is moving up, so you're looking for buys. Market is going down, so you're looking for sells. The market is below your resistance, so you move down with price. Price is above your support, level created, low, price is above, you move with the price. You just wait for your retest. As it's retesting, you just go up with the price. Same thing going down. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed.